Right. So this morning we did have a disturbance where a male pulled into the parking lot here at the McDonald's behind me, engaged in a verbal altercation with a witness who had called 911. When deputies showed up on scene, the male displayed a weapon and made several verbal threats, and the officers did have to use lethal force. The suspect is deceased at this time, and no deputies were injured. Beyond that, it's really an active investigation as deputies work with the state attorney's office and our major crimes unit to determine exactly what occurred this morning.
And at this point, is there any danger? Obviously, there's a lot of people on the scene, kind of have the situation under control.
Right. Obviously the McDonald's is going to be closed for the foreseeable morning and afternoon, so that might affect some traffic here, especially with people driving by on their way to work. But the people that were involved in the situation are accounted for as far as the witnesses, and also, again, as I said, the suspect is deceased.
Katie, we're actually live over here.
Okay.
Could you just reiterate what you just said as you were beginning the interview?
Sure. So we do have an officer-involved shooting. The suspect is deceased at this time. No deputies were injured. It was a disturbance that happened in the McDonald's parking lot. And there was a witness also involved who originally called 911 to summon law enforcement.
And then did the man did he work at McDonald's, or he was just in McDonald's?
He was not in McDonald's. This occurred in the parking lot outside. And it was unrelated to McDonald's aside from the fact that he pulled into the parking lot.
Got it. And did he actually fire at officers or deputies?
No.
Okay, he just had a gun visible?
Correct.
Do we know what kind of gun?
All of that is going to be under investigation.
So he did have, the weapon that he had was a gun then?
Yes, so it is confirmed that he did have a firearm, but right now the scene is just still being held while search warrants are obtained in the investigation. We have crime scene on their way, so right now the scene is just being held until the investigation can continue.
Do you know if this has anything to do with what was going on over on Lakeview?
No, that is actually a completely separate incident.